Okay, for all the people who do not know me, let me start with my introduction. My name is the the Dipin Jain, and these days I am put up in Bangalore, and here I work in IT field. Um, if I could urge all the people to start their video so that we can see their faces. All the people, they can turn on their videos, and at the same time we can do a small audio video check for all the people so that they can enjoy the meeting. Am I audible to you guys?
Yes, you're audible.
Great, perfect. Okay, it is 11:04. We are 4 minutes late. So we can start now. I would welcome all the people to the number 222 for our Toastmaster style SSG. Today we are going to board in a special we are going to board in a special taxi, which is taxi number 445. Now, in order to keep our taxi clean and make the maximum fun during the ride, I would request all of you to abide to certain rules. Rule number 1, I would request all the people to turn off your digital d d devices so that it does not it does not d d disturb you and the forum. Rule number 2, please keep your video on and unmute yourself only when you get the control to speak. Please keep your video off when you are moving in or out of the room. Third, please refrain from talking about these topics: sex, politics, and religion, because these are these are considered controversial, and it might hurt the the sentiments of the audience. And please make full use of the of the chat in order to encourage all the people in the group. Now, we also have guests in our group. So I would like to know from all the guests one by one, um, their name and what brings them to the meeting. To start with, our first guest, we have Ashutosh Singh. So I would invite Ashutosh to just come on the virtual stage and share about him. Where is he from and what brings him to the meeting?
Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Ashutosh Singh. I am from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. So I am having this stammering problem, and due to which I am facing a lot of difficulty while communicating with people. So I hesitate going outside and meeting new people. That is why I have joined this conversation group so that we can communicate and tackle our problem. By this, I think we will get to know more about ourselves and the difficulty we face, and hopefully we will achieve some new technique so that we can tackle our problem and sail through this. Thank you, everyone.
Great. Um, th, th, Thanks, Ashutosh, for sharing your thoughts with us. And I just wish and hope that you make maximum out of the meeting. Now, moving on to our other guest, I also see Akshat. Hey, Akshat,
Yes,
do you
sir.
want to turn on your? Yeah, I can see you
Uh,
now. Great. So, would you like to share with the audience in the group
yes.
about where are you from, what do you do, and what brings you to the
Yes,
meeting?
sir. So, hi everyone. My name is Akshat Best. I'm basically from Ramnagar, Uttarakhand. And last year, in the last week of December, I I joined this group called TISA, and there I took many sessions, and one of the finest session was the Toastmaster, and so hopefully I am looking forward to this session, and hope I'll get maximum out of it. Thank you and have a nice day.
Great. It was really good to know about you, Akshat. And again, I wish you all the best, and also look forward to your participation in the meeting. Okay. Um, with that, we have one more guest, um, Manish. Hi, Manish. Manish is still okay. Meanwhile, we can move on to Pradeep. Hi, Pradeep. Good morning. Are you able to hear us, Pradeep? Seems Pradeep is not able to hear us, or so we can move on to Ma Ma
Dipin sir,
Ma.
I
Yeah,
just
Arpit.
want to inform, I just want to inform that I think you are having a problem with your internet connection. It's showing that your bandwidth is low. So if you can check it once.
Yeah, I understand that, but I cannot help it. Although it should not happen, but let's see. Will so if anytime you face any issue with my audio and you are unable to hear what I say, please do inform me. Great. Um, okay. So our next guest, Manish, are you able to hear us? Hi, Manish. Would you like to show us your beautiful face? Seems men are more shy these days. No worries. We'll meet and we'll speak to most of the people while we proceed. Now, to start with, for all the people who are new to the group, um, I want to share. Um, yeah, I want to share about what would be the structure of the meeting. Um, As you all people know that this is the Toastmasters meet. Um, Toastmasters is a non-profit organization which aims at improving the co- 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 communication communication skills for the people. So here we do run our Bangalore SAG in the same style. While speaking about the structure of the meeting will be divided into three parts. The first part, it will be of the prepared speeches, where we have got some people, pre-identified people who have their speeches, and they will be speaking for around 4 to 6 minutes. After that, we have some table topics. Table topics, it will be an extempore session wherein a table topic master will choose people from the audience and will give them a random topic to speak, and each of them, so in that, the importance of that session is all the people, all the non role takers, they can also take part in that, in those table topics. Third section is about the feedbacks, wherein we have our general evaluator who will be sharing the feedback of uh, uh, of all the speeches and about all the role takers. So, without further ado, let us first call our general evaluator and understand from him what and how he will be evaluating the speakers and the role takers on. So, um, join your hands together to help me welcome our general evaluator of the day, Rahul Hirani, on the stage.
Hey guys, hey all. First of all, thank you, Dipin, for having me. Uh, I hope you all are doing very well and a very happy new year to all of you. So, when uh, coming to general evaluation, I'll just uh, 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 brief out the points which I will be uh, judging the speeches. So, uh, uh, the speaker has to maintain eye contact. Second, I'll notice the vocal variety within the speech, uh, the clarity of thoughts, the interest in the topic, and how much you are engaging the audience. These are the five basic uh, points for every speech. Now, the twist is that you will be getting some extra marks based on the topic you chose, as in how well you thought about it before uh, deciding the topic, and how much you will be aware with the audience. So, is the audience able to uh, connect with your story? That's a second thing. The third a thing for which you will, you will be getting some uh, points, will be how smoothly will you be transitioning from one part of your story to the next part. So uh, 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 this is all I had, and all the best to all the speakers. Over to you, Dipin.
Thank you, G sir. You have clearly laid down all the rules and all the areas where all the people in the group should abide by, and what all areas they have to focus to score maximum marks. Now, um, before we go forward, let's talk about our theme of the day. The theme of the day was taxi number 445. Well, the first word, the first word, taxi. I want to ask all of you, how many of you have been on a road trip on a taxi with fellow passengers? So you can show your hands. Anybody in the group? I believe most of you would have been. Yes, I can see so many hands. So I believe most of you would have been. So on those trips, you may recall those long those long jour- jour- journeys, that those stops at dhabas for a cup of tea, and those story sharing with your with your friends, and much more. Again, another important thing which I want to ask all the people, who from all the people in the audience wants to travel the world? I can see Sharan, Rahul, Sharan raising two hands, Harpit, and na 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 Naveen also interested. So for all the people who want to travel the world, it's been said that if you have not traveled, then you have just read one page of the book. So now you understand the importance of traveling and journeys. But what does this 445 mean to you? I would love to know from each one of you, what does 445 mean to you? Will anybody in the group want to give it a try? Please unmute and speak out.
Hi, Deepan. Actually,
Hi, Sharan.
445 means that in the Kolkata, they were about 445 taxis were taken to the custody by police for some reasons. I really don't know that reasons. That's my that's my short understanding about that 445 number.
Great. Thanks for sharing that information with me. I did not know about that. But here 445 means something more to me. Would anybody else in the group want to try out? We have so many guests. We have Abhishek, Akshat, Asutosh. No worries. So we do have one more taxi, which is taxi number 143, which translates to Toastmaster International, present across 143 nations. Yes, 143 nations. So for all the people who want to travel the world, and that too by staying at home, they can make use of Toastmasters to travel throughout the world. Once you are a Toastmaster member, you can join the meetings thanks to COVID, because all the meetings are happening online. You can attend the meetings online and you can travel the world just by staying at home. On the same manner, our taxi, which is taxi number 445, or I call it TISA Self Help Group. Self is 4, help is again 4, and group is 5, Self Help Group. Soon we will also go global. So by staying at home, you can actually travel the world and meet people from all across the globe. For now, um, we are pan India, so we have the freedom to know about people from India. But soon we'll go global and we will have more people from across the globe, and you can travel the world digitally. So now, without further ado, let's call our first passenger of the day to share his story. G, please note that our first speaker, he's Adarsh, and he will be delivering his first icebreaker speech. His project aims at breaking the ice, and the timing of his speech will be 4 to 6 minutes. And all the speakers, please note that they can pin my video, and I will be sharing the timer card on my screen. And at the end of 4 minutes, my screen it will turn green. At the end of 5, my screen it will turn yellow, and at the end of 6 minutes it will turn green, it will turn red. And after the 6 minutes lapse, still you have 30 seconds of grace period to finish off gracefully. So with that, I would like to invite Adarsh, the interview day. The interview day, Adarsh. The stage is all yours, Adarsh. You need to unmute, Adarsh. Adarsh, you need to unmute. Am I audible, guys?
Sorry, I was on mute. Sorry for that.
No issues.
Hello.
Please go ahead.
Hello, everyone. Hi, this is your friend Adarsh, and today I am going to deliver my first Toastmasters speech that is going to be.
Adarsh, I think, went on mute once again.
He's saying he's facing network issue. Adarsh, are you still facing the issue? Should we move on to the other speaker and come back to you?
Yes, sir. Please proceed with others, and I will go second. There is some problem with my network. Let me check.
No worries. No worries. So we can move on to our second speaker, which is Arpit Rajoria. Well, this boy, he did not share the title of a story because he wants to keep it a secret. So G, please note that Arpit would be delivering his se, se, second speech, which aims at organizing the thoughts. So with that, I would hand over the stage to Arpit. So Arpit, the stage is all yours, and the speech will be in between 4 to 6 minutes. The stage is all
Okay.
yours, Arpit.
Thank you, Toastmaster Dipin. So hopefully that I am audible. So I will start. So first of all, I would like to start by asking a simple question. How many of you have heard the news that a man in Finland just dug a tunnel through his house all the way to India? No one? Okay. So let's move to the second one. How many of you have heard the news that being disappointed by the government's decision of the COVID lockdown, a man in India decided to remain in a 6-month hibernation period, and he just woke yesterday? Still no one? Okay. Now the third one of our public interest. I am sure it will attract our audience. How many of you know that the vaccine for stammering has been developed? Okay, no one. Still no one. Oh my God. Okay, so as expected, because all these are fake news. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Arpit Ajoria, and I will be presenting my thoughts on the topic dilemma of fake news. So first of all, I would like to ask anyone, like, what is fake news? If any audience can answer me, what is fake news according to them? Okay, so I will give the answer. So
According to me,
yes, Naveen.
according to me, fake news is something that is not true, and people still believe it to be true.
Okay, it's a great answer, Naveen. So I will say fake news is either a correct information which is wrongly conveyed, or it's a incorrect information which is conveyed. Simple. And we all know that fake news has got a lot of disadvantages. For example, one, it will give all the people kind of a hype to criticize others. For example, politicians, sportsperson, everyone. Number two, it can hamper our day-to-day relationships. Number three, it can also cause communal injustice, communal unrestfulness. So many things are there which can be there, right? So, but I am here not to discuss on the topic what are the disadvantages, but I am here to actually enlighten you all that why is it so that fake news gets like it spreads as a wildfire. Why is it so? Okay, so I thought on this for 2 hours straight, and finally came up with a good answer that it is unverified listening. So what do you mean by unverified listening? Listening to suna tha, unverified listening. What is this? So I would first start with a simple word, listening. Listening, we all know, it's just a part of communication that we all communicate, we have to listen. But the thing is, 95% of the people don't consider listening to be a part of communication. Do you see that? It's because, so now what is unverified listening? Again, the same thing that I just threw a random number at you all, 95%, and I'm pretty sure most of you agreed to it. So without verifying. So that is unverified listening. So I would like to share a small incident which happened with me. I am a great bike lover. I love to ride bikes, go and traveling. So one day, me and my friend planned out a trip. Unfortunately, I didn't have a helmet. So my friend warned me that it might happen. We might encounter traffic police in the way, and we have to pay some fine. So I said it's okay, because I have got Indian currency in my pocket, and I have heard that it is the best ever license that you can have and the best helmet you can wear in India. So I was very confident because I have heard something. So I went there. I went there. Said to people that, okay, I went there. I encountered a policeman. I offered him bribe. And the next thing I remember, before spending 2 days in the Indian lockup, was that we exchanged a smile after. So that was a very embarrassing incident that happened to me. After that, so this is one incident of my life. I am sure that you all must also have faced a similar kind of incident, and it is quite relatable to all of you. It is very unfortunate to see that people have missed a lot of things because of this fake news, because it actually hampers everyone's life. And there are thousands of atrocious examples throughout the world which has happened. So at the end, I just want to share one word of advice with you all, that the next time when you will hear something from someone, please do verify it. It's very important. It can change your life. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Arpit. It was indeed a wonderful piece of advice. I will ensure that I always verify the news be- 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 before I go on believing it. But we can't just help it. We all love gossip so much.
Yeah, that's the problem with you all. But yeah, we can improve on it. We can just not accept the thing that the stammering vaccine has been developed, because it will never be.
We just can't help it. Okay, so now it is the time to hear out another interesting story from one of our old member who happens to be a Kumkaran. When I asked him about the title of his speech, he said the importance of sleep. The importance of sleep. So, ladies and gents, please put your hands together to welcome our next speaker, Toastmaster Naveen. So, Naveen, the stage is all yours. The importance of sleep. The importance of sleep. Naveen.
Good morning, everyone. Uh, everybody tells to everybody tells us to live your dream. Uh, any guesses how can we live our dream?
By acting on
By
it.
sleeping more
Yes,
and visualizing them.
Rahul, you are correct. So our our we can live our dream by sleeping. So today I'm here to share you the three important benefits of sleep. At first, the sleep improves the function of our brain. Uh, it improves our productivity, and it improves our creativity and problem solving skills. Uh, while studying in our childhood, I have noticed that while after I study for too much times, and I don't remember that much. And after I sleep and then I wake up, by doing so, I could study well. Even you guys could have noticed that. The second importance of sleep is that it improves our physical health. So when we are sick and when we go to the doctor tells us to sleep well and give some medications. And after a good training in the gym, the coach tells us to uh, sleep well. Why? Uh, it is because during the sleep, some of the hormones are released that helps in the repair of our cells and tissues. The third important benefit of sleep uh, is that it improves the productivity and efficiency of our day. So if we sleep well and wake up early in the morning, by doing so, we can be too much active like a bird or a bee. Birds generally sleep early and then they wake up early. So by and they start their day active. Okay. How many of you guys know Ranjan Das? Ranjan Das was the CEO of SAP SAP, and he was a professional athletic. Uh, uh, Due to his work pressure, he had to sacrifice sleep. Uh, One fine day, he had gone to the gym and returned back home. Uh, and then he had a cardiac arrest. This arrest was because of the lack of sleep. Uh, there was a calcium buildup in his arteries, uh, and and he had died. The world has lost a gem and does not want to lose anymore. So now, uh, after this, I will tell you some of the important sleep routines that uh, we all should follow to uh, ensure a good night's sleep. First, get some sunlight. Uh, Wake up early, go and stand in the sun, or do some kind of physical a- activities in the sun. Second, have a good have a fixed sleep routine. uh, Sleep at the same time every night and wake up early in the same time every day, every morning. uh, Third, listen to um, ma ma uh, music. It has been scientifically proven that music helps us to reduce stress and also enhance the mood of the person. Number four, do at least 1 hour of physical exercises every day. Number five, go and spend some time in the nature. Number six, laugh more. So as I see, most of them are serious uh, in their face. Laugh more. So that is the best therapy. Uh, Number seven, uh, we can do self massage every day. Number eight, uh, try to keep uh, at, try to arrange the bedroom in an organized manner so that uh, whenever we come to the bedroom, we should feel that it is of organized and structured. So by the so by uh, I would tell everyone that sleep, sleep well, sleep like a baby. Thank you, guys.
Great piece of advice. You have really nailed it, man. But the main problem with me is I sleep like a log. And the thing which even makes it worse, I do not know when to sleep and for how long to sleep. I get, I usually sleep during the office meetings. But yes, we'll keep that piece of advice in mind the next time when I go to meetings. Okay. So now it's the it's time. It's time to move on to our third speaker, Adarsh. Adarsh, are you able to? If you want, you can unmute and we'll do a small audio check.
No. Can you please let me know that is my audio now audible?
Perfect. Your audio and video both are doing good. So I'll hand over the stage to Adarsh. Adarsh, the interview day. So G, please note again, this is the icebreaker speech for Adarsh. So Adarsh, all the best. The stage is all yours.
Yeah. So first of all, I would like to thank this Toastmaster team of our TISA that is just giving me a chance to showcase myself, my skills, and many things that you will get to know after this speech. So myself, Adarsh Raj Srivastava, and I am a member of this TISA from last 3 years. And for my parents, like I am their child from last 23 years, as I came to this world in 1996, and after my birth, I just after when I came to this world now, I felt like people are. I felt like some monkeys and some people like just wandering around me and just staring at me like continuously for many hours. So I was like just like I was so confused, like because I didn't have that much maturity and I was just a small baby. So I was just so much confused that oh my god, why are they just not leaving me alone for a single minute? The whole day I was totally like kept within a blanket, just folding around me, and I was just like just people around me. Like when I became 6 years old, I just got to know, okay, they are actually the humans. The main problem for me, like who are just like bothering me when I was a baby. So now I felt that so now I realized that yeah, it's fine, they are really humans. Okay, we need to have relations with people, like family, like our brother, sister. Okay, so these all are like God has made, no, like a family for just to be like to be a social person. Because when I was a baby, I didn't know why are they just revolving around me like a sun. Okay, dust to the earth. Just whole time people around me just pulling off my cheeks and my nose and my just just bothering me all the time. Okay, so now I get to know, okay, they are just a bond that God has made for all of us. Okay, this is your brother, your sister, your mom, your dad, your grandpa, your grandmom, everyone. Okay, yeah. So now I am 23 almost, and I am a post graduate and just finished my masters in the month of September. As I am not working for now because of my bad luck, maybe you can say, but I would, but I am trying every day for my interviews and participating in many interviews, like almost 2 times a week. So now moving on to my speech, uh, that is the interview day. Okay, you must be like thinking that okay, the interview day, so this will be about a person's interview. Okay, no, that's not like that. It is about the incident that happened, and you will get to know at the and at the end of this speech that what was the main point that I'm trying to like make you understand the story behind this interview day, and the story of the taxi driver who drove me to the uh, interview location. Okay, so that was the day of February 2020. I was about to leave my PG for my first interview. That is an off-campus interview where I had to reach at sharp 12 in the noon. But I was late because I am a person who gets late every day. As usual, I was also late that day also. But I thought to take a cab from Delhi to Gurgaon, where is my uh, interview location. But still, I reached there very late. I reached at my interview location at around 1:30. So I was almost 1.5 hours late. I was told not to participate in the interview as I am late. So I thought not to even enter the interview building because I am going to be because I will be going to be thrown off from the office because I was 1.5 hours late. The driver who drove me to the location told me, "Ki, brother, don't worry, just go to the office and tell them your problem and just ask them to take your interview as you have that much of skill set." Okay, I thought for about 10 minutes, then I decided to go to the interviewer. I requested them and they finally took my interview. And at around 2 hours of interview, later on, I get to know that I was the one who got selected for the interview. So when I came back to my home, I was so lucky to have that person who drove me to the location and also inspired me to participate in the interview, even after getting late. So it was a small story of that taxi driver who really motivated me for that day. Okay, so never think that the motive is that of my speech is that never think that one person is like not on the same level as you are, as he is a driver and you are a person who has lots of money. So people around you can be anyone. You can get good things, good thoughts, good advices, good guidance from anyone around you. So don't ignore anyone's thoughts or anything. Just take the knowledge from anywhere, from anyone. Okay. So this was a small story for my first interview, and I'm really thankful to that person who has who was the driver of that cab. So it was a very small story about my interview day. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Adesh, for sharing the story with us. And I really thank God that you got that taxi um, driver that day. And at the same time, we all wish you best of luck for all the interviews so that you can excel there also like you excelled here. Okay. Um, so all the people in the group, we are done with our prepared speeches, prepared speeches, se, 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 section. Now it's the time to move on to the second segment of our of our of our meeting, which is table topics. But before we move on to the table topics, I would want you people to answer one simple question. What is one thing which you always carry while you go on a journey? So you can either unmute or you can share your responses in the chat.
Spectacles for me.
Same. Phone,
Okay, so we have
mobile and wallet.
yeah, we have
Yes, I think all of us
mobile and wallet.
carry
Earphones.
camera to capture all the things during traveling.
Diary. A diary.
Okay, so
Spectacles and phone.
Okay, I'm glad to hear. Okay, so I'll be back with more interesting facts and questions from all you people. And now I'll hand over the stage to our table topic master Sharan.
Hi,
Hey Sharan, the
hi,
stage is all
Deepan.
yours.
How are you all? And as I am the table topic master for today, and let me ask you guys some questions regarding that today's theme on taxi. And first question
Hold
is
on.
yeah.
I'm sorry. Yeah. So I believe first we can let people know about all the rules,
Okay.
about how they will take part and what will be the timing of each topic. So for all the people who will take part, they will get two, uh, two, 1 to 2 minutes to speak, and after the end of 2 minutes, they will have 30 seconds of grace period to to finish, and they can pin my video. I will change my virtual background in order to showcase that. So yeah, the stage is all yours. Again, you can start with the topics.
Okay, Deepan, thanks for your um, that brief clarification. And first question is, which is your scariest ride ever? Any volunteers right there? Which is your most scariest ride ever till date? Alok Gupta, yeah.
Yes, actually, I want to share my one of my train journey. I was actually it was very unusual. I was I think Kanpur from to Chitrakoot. So then what happened? The train timing was in night. I think it was some 12 or 11. So I slept and I missed my station where I have to get down. Then what happened? The train when I woke up, I see that the train is already uh, left my station. Then I realized I have to go back. So then I had to there was another train to going back to my station. So I have to wait there for that train. But then meanwhile I think that should I buy the ticket to go back. So then I went, and that train was there standing. so I went up. So I went to the booking counter and I got the ticket. And then when I finally go back to train, so the train is already moving, and I and I thought that then I have to spend my whole night in the station here, and there will be no train next. So then I had to run to catch the train, and while running the train, I forgot if the platform will end. What happened? It was a whole. It was a night, and it was a dark. I just scared. What happened if the platform, if if uh, if I could not able to catch the train and the platform ends, maybe there will be I could fell down or what. I just thought, and I just so that was a scariest ride, I can say. Yes,
That was a nice speech, Alok.
yes.
This was same incident happened in my life too, because when I was returning from Kanyakumari to Chennai at the night of 1:30 or 2, was coming alone, as I had no reserved ticket. I had to buy that ticket by getting down on the station, because ticket master was on his way in the second compartment. So when I got in and came outside, the last compartment was there in front of me, and I had to literally run in like some movies like SRK runs and catch the
And
train.
yes. Similarly, even that person who stands in the last bogie of the train, I think that white person, white cloth person, I think guards something. He kept my hand to pull inside the train. That was
That was a nice speech, Alok. And
okay. Thank you.
next question is, what do you prefer most, personal car or taxi? Adarsh, what do you prefer more, personal car or taxi rides? Why?
Yes, like okay. So
Yeah.
being honest, I will prefer taxi because
Adarsh, your voice is not audible. Is it for me or everyone is facing this issue?
I believe
It's the
No, his
Adarsh
same.
is
voice is not
facing audio
audible.
issue in and out. So if you want, you can first move to the non-role takers. We have Ashutosh, we
Okay,
have
done.
Akshat.
Yeah. And Akshit, are you there, man? Because your video is also turned off. Akshit, I think he's not there. I think. Ashutosh Singh,
Yes,
hi, how are you?
fine, fine, I'm fine.
Yeah. Uh, can you answer this question? What I asked to others? What do you
What was the
prefer the
question?
most? What do you
Oh,
prefer the most? Personal car or taxi
taxi.
rides? Yeah.
Okay, so presently I'm not having my personal car, so uh, I like to travel in taxi or cab because not having a car is one reason, and another reason is it is a fun, I think, little fun that when you have to travel from one place to another, like booking a cab on phone is becoming simple nowadays. We can travel, but it is a little costlier, I think. So we can take auto and trans- transport
But we
buses.
can say that when we travel taxi, we can say the petrol money, right? 1,500 to 2,000, like like that thing, because we should pay around 500 or 600 maximum. So we can say up to 1,500 or 2,000, right?
Yeah, we can say that we are saving the
Yeah.
petrol money, but ultimately we are giving the money to cab driver, and he obviously he will utilize in purchasing petrol for the vehicle.
Of course.
So he'll already including that all the money. In fact, it is a nice thing for traveling in cab. Yeah. So the main thing is, while we are having our personal car, then we have to pay very much attention while driving, and all the time we have to look forward on the
Yeah.
road and following traffic rules and all that. While we are in traveling in taxi, then we are free to do. We can watch any movies or videos while sitting in the background. We can watch outside the cab and take the shots with our camera if we are traveling to such a nice place. So it is having benefit in traveling a cab or taxi.
Thank you, Ashutosh. It was a
Thank you very
nicely put speech. And next question is, if you are a taxi driver, what are the funny things you will do? Any volunteers here for this question? Because
We'll check if Akshat is available. Hi, Akshat, are you available to volunteer for this topic?
Akshay,
Hello? Hello?
are you there, man? Yeah.
Akshat.
Hello?
You are
Yeah, Akshat, you are audible.
audible, man. Yeah.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah. Yeah, Akshay, you are audible.
Sir, can you please repeat the question because I'm facing some
Yeah,
network
sure.
issues.
Yeah, sure. If you are a taxi driver, what are the funny things you will do?
Uh, so basically, if I'll be a taxi driver, I'll communicate with more people, and I'm interested in cracking jokes and like like we can hang out as well, and I'll entertain everyone around me. So yes, I can say it's a unique thing in me, and I'll keep them I'll keep them entertained till they'll reach their destination, and and it will be a wonderful journey for me as well, because as being a taxi driver, you every day will communicate with more than mm, with more than 5 to 15 peoples, and it's really a great experience. So yes, for me, I'll do these stuffs. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshay, for your speech. And the next question is the debate one. Anyone interested in debate here? One is for sharing the taxi rights, and another person is for against the sharing the taxi rights. Any volunteers here? Others? Yeah. What role are you going to speak, others, for or against for taxi sharing rights in taxi?
Yeah, I will go with the for the taxi.
Yeah, okay. For against
our
Can I go?
Rahul.
Yeah.
He has raised
Yeah,
his
sure.
hand.
All right.
Rahul.
Yeah. So for this, I think we will have 4 minutes in total, right? 2 minutes to each
Yeah.
to each speaker.
Debate starts now.
Okay.
So
Hello everyone, my name is Adarsh and I'm going to talk about today's debate, that is to talk about the taxis. Taxis are mainly made for public services, okay? That will help you to reach your destination on time, okay? For example, if you are not a professional driver, you have to reach your location on time, then you can't take your life risks, okay? Life at risk. If you are driving fast, if there is a driver who is a professional driver and is driving your taxi or the taxi that he has, okay, so there are more chances that you will be much more safe, okay, while reaching your destination, okay. So these are my main points.
I don't
I will.
agree to that. I don't agree to that. So
Why?
suppose if you are sharing, okay, suppose if you are sharing, and if you want
Okay,
to reach your destination to, within 1 hour, let's suppose.
okay, okay.
If you are sharing, you won't be able to reach. Reason being that there would be someone who would want to get down before you. Others, your voice is not audible. No, it's very low. Others, it's very low, or maybe mine is very low. I'm not sure. I think someone
No,
can
actually,
Others,
Adash's
yeah.
mic
confirm.
is very feeble.
Hello.
Actually, Rahul.
Now,
Yeah, yeah,
now,
yeah.
Yeah,
is
others,
audible?
please
Yeah,
go on.
Now it's better.
you are perfect,
Yes, Rahul,
Adarsh. Yeah.
please continue. Why you are like not agreeing with that? Are you planning to fly with your car?
It's not about that, but if you have your personal ride or your personal car, you will be able to reach your uh, destination uh, faster. Also,
See,
you can
okay. Yeah, yes, I
stop
do
in
agree with that.
between
But
wherever you
for
want.
example, okay, my friend. For example, you are a doctor, okay, and you have to reach at your location, okay, to treat your patient on time, and you get late, okay,
The patient
just
will
because
die then.
you are, for example, okay, you are a doctor and you have to reach the location of your hospital at 12:15, okay, and you are wasting your time to park your own vehicle in the parking, and that patient
I
died,
will
okay,
just
just in
give you
1 minute.
if you
What will
know.
you
No,
do?
no, no. Why, why would I want to go and park it?
Because my
I
friend,
can
that's
use
your
a
car, okay,
valet option.
that's
No,
your own car,
that's
and
what
you
I'm
are the
saying. No,
owner of that car.
that's what I'm saying. I can uh, use a valet option. No, that
That
would
will get
serve it
more time,
for
no,
me.
my friend. That will get more
No,
time.
why? How?
The pe- the
I'll just
the
get
guy
down.
who is waiting
Valet
will
will.
die because of your
Array, but
parking.
you
That
are
person
no,
will
no, no.
die.
You are not getting me. For parking, I will give my uh, uh, car to a valet, and he will park it for me and keep the keys. So I'm safe.
Yes, but I guess that
I don't have to worry
just
about it.
okay. So for example, okay, just okay. I can see that depends that okay. Now it's over. Okay. That was a nice one, Rahul.
Yeah, man.
Who wins? We were
That was
enjoying.
superb
Yeah.
debate. Yeah. I thought
You
that
keep it going.
you really
Yeah.
got inside that respective roles. Adarsh got into that role and Rahul got into his role, and it was fun watching from here.
Okay. So I believe we
Yeah,
can take one last topic, and after that we'll
yeah,
move on
sure.
to the feedbacks. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. And my last topic, my last question is, we can end up in a good note. Which is your best ride? Simple question. Which is your best taxi ride?
Who wants to go?
In
You should
in
first
in
as
any
volunteer.
volunteers, because Adarsh and Akshit have spoken about some question previously.
No, no, no.
Naveen,
Yeah.
can you go? Naveen, are
About
you there,
my
man? What's your best taxi ride up to date?
best taxi ride, okay.
Yeah.
Um, yeah. Uh, Once we had gone out to Chennai from Bengaluru by bus, and then in that cab, uh, on and to roam around in Chennai, we had taken a cab no, for an entire day. And that guy spoke well. He was too much of making of cracking jokes, and we enjoyed his companion. Uh, he had taken us to almost all the places in Chennai and and nearby Chennai. So I liked him. The trip was wonderful. I would again like to meet that guy, meet that guy in future. Thank you.
Sharan, you are on mute.
Sharon.
Thank you, Naveen, for your speech. And now I hand over the stage to, again, the MOD of the day, Deepan Jain.
Thank you. Thank you for entertaining us with all the
Deepan,
topics.
excuse me, Deepan.
Yes. Am
Yeah,
I audible?
yeah, sure. Deepan, in my house, few relatives has shown up here, and can I leave now?
Sure. Sure, please. No worries.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Sorry,
entertaining
guys, for
us.
the inconvenience. Yeah.
No worries. Okay. So it was a wonderful session. Now, be, 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 before we move on to the evaluation, I would want to hear from you people. What is the most what is the most funny excuse which you have heard from the taxi driver for not accepting your your ride?
The place is very far.
Dipin, can I go out first?
Yeah, anybody please.
Yeah, I was standing on uh, one side of the road. Uh, I saw the cab driver on the other side of the road. Uh, he told me that he would go straight and then take an U-turn and then get back to me. I was standing there. I was standing for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and then 10 minutes. I thought of calling him, and after 10 to 15 minutes. I called him uh, and told him that I'm standing on the opposite side of the road, and you had uh, said me that you would take a U-turn and then come back. In the phone, he told me that there was no U-turn available there, so he had cancelled the ride and gone front. uh,
Interesting.
that was
Interesting.
the most silliest um,
So he
excuse
was
given
more
by the cab
smarter.
driver.
Yeah, he seems to be more
Yeah,
smarter, right, than you.
yeah.
Well, great. So anybody wants to
I have
share about? Yeah, please, Rahul,
I have
go
one
ahead.
story. So I used to live in Hepal, and once I wanted to go from uh, Hepal to Silk Port, that is like end to end in Bangalore. So I uh, booked an Ola ride, and the uh, driver just uh, called me up and asked me that, where is your drop? So I said, Silk Board. He said, भैया वो तो बहुत दूर है, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा वहाँ पे, and he cancelled it. मैंने कहा भाई दूर है, that's why I have booked an Ola, right? दूर नहीं होता तो why would I have booked?
चले जाते
Great, great. Okay, so now we'll move on to the feedbacks, and we will keep having these kind of Q&As with all the people. But now let's hear it from our evaluator, um, Ra- 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 Rahul Hirani. So Rahul, the stage is
All
all
right.
yours.
Thank you. And sorry if you cannot see me. I need to adjust my camera maybe a bit. All right. So first of all, I am back after 2 weeks to this meeting, and I would really like to tell you uh, 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 that the bar has been, you know, uh, went from here to here, and I would uh, love to see it rise even more. All right, so moving on. First of all, moving on with our speakers. So, uh, uh, the first speech, Arpit, or should I call the table or topic guy, because he always used to participate only in the table topics. All right, so uh, the things which I liked was clarity was up to the mark. Uh, you started with a, a question, not just one but four. That was superb. I loved it. The gestures were really nice. We could uh, connect with you. There was voice uh, modulation uh, right from uh, line number one when you started. So these were the basic stuff. Now the things which I really loved about your speech. The structure of your speech was really well defined. You knew from where you are starting and from where you have to make a move to the next topic. Second thing, I loved the beginning of fake news dilemmas like the vaccine, the funnel from Finland. That was well thought of, and uh, yeah, and there was humor. There was humor up to its best, and the one, my favorite line was that currency is the best helmet and license. So that part was really well thought of and really well done. So I have a few suggestions for you. The first is the placement of your uh, uh, camera or your laptop. So we could see you uh, 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 like you are seeing me right now. So which would have been better if your uh, uh, camera was up to your eye line. All right. That was first point. First suggestion. Uh, Second was you could have moved more because you had a full room. You had the full stage. So you maybe made use of more gestures and you would have just moved, you know. That was one. And the third was that I uh, thought that uh, uh, the story which you mentioned that could have been more longer. So the story was very short. So just work on it. So whenever you are uh, uh, giving a speech, make it into a story because a story will always grip the audience till last. All right, but the speech was really nice. I enjoyed every bit of it. So well done, Arpit.
Thank you, Evaluator Rahul. Yeah, I would like to work on the valuable suggestion that you gave me. And apart from that, I also feel the same. The only thing that I had to shorten my story was the same. I mentioned in the chat also that there was a problem of time management. Initially, I thought it would be 5 minutes,
Yes,
but
yes.
when I saw up the time, I saw already 4 minutes has passed. Then I had to speed up a bit. So thank you for your suggestions. I will work on them.
Thanks, Arpit. All right, so moving on to Naveen. Naveen, the first thing which I would, which I'm very happy for is that you have come a long way with your speech. So uh, 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 since I know you from 2019, I have seen the improvements within your speech. So I loved it. Uh, Importance of sleep. I guess we all love to sleep more, and I think that led him to discuss this thing with us. All right, so coming on to the uh, positives, the basic ones, the eye contact was very well maintained. You were using your hands with your vocal variety, that was good. And since the topic was very well written, uh, the audience was well engaged. Uh, and uh, the lessons which you mentioned, they were very informative. The 10 points which you mentioned, those are very good. Uh, a few suggestions for you, Naveen. One thing that I told Arpit also, that if you would have framed your speech as a story, as maybe a fictional story which you can make by yourself, or a real life one, that would have been much more impactful. Uh, and apart from that, uh, the speech was really good. The learnings were good. Uh, uh, just work on the story part. All right.
So thank you, Rahul, for your valuable uh, feedback. From the next speech onwards, I would work on creating a fictional or a real story in my speech.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Rahul.
Moving on to others. All right. So, one thing that I loved about your speech was your story. The way you started, yeah, when a baby is born, how would he know here who are my siblings, who are my grandparents? So that part was really well written, thoughtful, and you, uh, I mean, I could see that you researched about it. Your words selection was really good, and then when you moved on to your interview day, and there was one line that you got late, and that I suppose is a men will be men thing, because all men usually get late for meetings, for interviews, for just everything. I have got late for whatever you can think of, for dates also. So uh, okay, the model which you gave was really good, that anyone can give you good learnings, advices. So always have an open mind. Now, moving on to the suggestions. First point is you don't have to thank you. You don't have to thank anyone. Okay, uh, like you started, ki, thank you to this, to that. You don't have to do that. You don't have to introduce your topic because the TMOD will do that for you. You just uh, need to start with your speech, because what I saw was uh, when you introduce yourself and when you introduce your topic, your 1 to 1.5 minute was gone. So make sure you use that 1 minute for your speech. All right. That was one. Second is the story. The story of the interview. When you started the story, it was already 4 minutes. So make sure from next time, the story, the main theme of your speech, that takes the maximum time. All right. Third is your delivery. So suppose when you are enacting the driver, or you are acting any character, and you have to speak a dialogue. So don't just speak it in your way. Like, I will give you one example. Uh, so uh, the driver told you that, uh, brother, don't worry, just go. Okay. Rather than saying it like this, you could have uh, said that. Then he told me, brother, don't worry, just go and give your best. Like this. So it, it always adds more to your speech. Uh, that's all I had for you. And one last thing is the topic you selected for your first speech. That was really good. So well done, Adarsh.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rahul bhai. Like I would really like take care of all the things that you just pointed out, and I will try to make it a bit more better in my next speech. Thank you so much.
Sure, sure. Would love to hear more from you, Adarsh.
Yeah, sure. Okay, thanks.
Now, moving on to our role takers. The first is our own TMOD, Dipin Jan. So, Dipin, what should I say? I mean, you are an idol for me, for most of us here. I would uh, like to start with the theme. The theme you selected, I was uh, 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 thinking of its meaning since 1 week. Taxi 445, didn't know what it meant, didn't know what you will, say about it. So the thing was very well, and it, and it was very innovative, I should say. uh, uh, the timing of the meeting was very well maintained. The uh, switching between the roles was very well done, and you also played the timer role, which I very well know is not an easy thing to do when you are playing two roles simultaneously. Uh, uh, the structure, the agenda of the meeting was well put. The words, the lines which you were uh, saying, that was engaging the audience, and the switching between one role to another role, that was very well done. I just have one suggestion for you, Dipin. So whenever we uh, introduce the speaker, we always go with uh, 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 the speaker name, a topic, and uh, 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 the speaker name. Like if I would say, like Arpit, dilemma of fake news, dilemma of fake news, Arpit. So that was missing. Just one thing. So that's all I had, and I had a feedback for Sharan also, but he left. So Sharan selected very good topics. It's just one feedback that I have for Sharan. So Sharan was introducing the topic first, and then the speaker, but it should be other way around. You have to choose a speaker first, and then uh, uh, give the topic. So just one feedback for him. And the uh, debate which he introduced, that was very innovative, because that has never happened, and having this once in a while will be good, what I felt. So over to you, Dipin. Thank you.
Thank you, Rahul. And we really appreciate all the feedback which you have shared with us. Um, I know it's not an easy job when you have to actively um, listen to all the people, what they are saying, and at the same time to extract the important or the or the beautiful areas from their speeches, and at the same time helping them out with all the advices which they can incorporate to improve. So it really means a lot to us. Okay, so now we have come to the end of our 20 second meeting. I have already pasted the feedback link in the chat, and I have got 6 responses so far. So one feedback to go. Until we get the last feedback, I would like to throw one last question to all you people, which is, what do you prefer most, the journey or the uh, destination. You can unmute and speak. All the
Can I
people, they
speak?
can unmute and speak.
Hello.
Sure.
Yeah.
Hello,
According to
Arpit.
me,
Sure.
obviously the more respectable answer will be that we all prefer a journey over a destination. But the fact is, the truth is that we all know that yeah, if we live the journey, but somehow we are unable to reach the required destination, then there's some kind of uh, regret that remains inside us. So I think that both are equally important. You have to live the journey, as well as you should try your best to reach the destination in all parts of your life.
That's very well said, Arpit. Any more opinions from the people? Okay, I leave that to you people to ponder on it. And now I have got all the feedbacks, and it is the time to announce the red the result the results. First, we'll start with the best table topic speaker. Oh my God! So we have got a tie between two people um, who both are leading with 42% votes. The first one is Adarsh, and the other one who was standing tall and also gave equal fight to him was, just a moment, Alok. So Adarsh and Alok, those are the two people in the ring who gave tough fight to each other. Now let's move on to the best speeches. So in the best speeches, again, it's Arpit who scored around 60% votes. Best speaker is Arpit. Now moving on to the best role taker. Oh my God. So people have chosen their taxi driver as the best role taker. Thank you, people. So now we have officially reached to the end of our meeting, and I would like to thank all the role takers and also all the people who have taken part in the meeting. So the meeting is officially closed. If in case anybody wants to speak about anything unofficial or anything, then please feel free to do so.